Hey everyone! Welcome back! This is episode 2. One or many. If you missed episode 1, what is a noun? Go check it out first. Are you ready? Let's start! Did you know, friends? Nouns can be either singular or plural. Singular means the noun is just one, and plural means it's more than one. Most plural nouns are formed by adding s at the end. 1 apple. This is singular. 2 apples. This is plural. 1 dog. It's singular. 3 dogs. Plural. 1 ball. Singular. Lot of balls. Plural. If the word ends with s, x, ch, or sh, we add es to make it plural. 1 bus. 4 buses. 1 box. Many boxes. 1 watch. 4 watches. 1 brush. Many brushes. Let's review. Look at the pictures. Are they singular or plural? Great job, everyone! Now you know the difference between singular and plural nouns. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video!